qofta soo koros oy
haddana soo koros markay xiran tahay baati boos anigaana dhahay boos amos
أرادي عبكن وعلسين إنجاي. هل حبل هدي كريتد؟ بو عقو دوات لي.
I rate her.
Yeah.
10/0.
What?
10 over.
وايد سلام ميلول بقى جوكتي وحيدين ليه وحيدين تاي ونكسن ما شاء الله تبارك الله yes this is the one and only Cimraan the tallest guy in the house
Yeah.
is that right
Yes.
yes Mrs. Anaya Qurux Anaya Yariisi ayaa halkan soo wada fariisisay baan waaye waana soo wada istaajisay ma
Yeah. I didn't understand, but yes.
you understand everything you don't need to not understand nothing you understand everything right
Yes.
Yes. Everything is yes.
I'm gonna show you a YouTuber or TikTok in Somali. He or she, you are going to rate her like how beautiful she is or he, like handsome. You understand?
Okay, Anaya Qurux waxay tiri YouTuber nin ama naag aan idin tusayaa waxaan idin weydiinayaa boqolkiiba waxa ku qiimeynaysan quruxdeeda boqolkiiba 10 boqolkiiba 8 boqolkiiba 5 boqolkiiba 6 whatever ada wixii qofka qiimeyntiisa uu leeyahay ina siisin waay
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes. We are ready.
You are ready with me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
How much you rate her?
Oh, the one and only.
Who?
Oh my God.
Oh.
How much you rate
حبس الزونة.
Yes.
سلام سرورتي قاد بخل كيب بخل أسيا. أنا ما حسينا بخل كيب بخل. حبس الزونة in the house in the building.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, 10 to 10.
Yeah,
Yes. محكو صبح دون.
I don't know.
How much you rate him?
Oh. Arman.
Yeah.
Arman عجيو.
Arman in the house.
If Arsenal win, we all win. نكرر Arsenal وانت he supports Arsenal.
Arsenal is nothing.
ما يلاك سنة كان واحد يسنتها enjoy.
Manchester
سنة كان واحد يسنتها والله منو تذكر. أي.
Manchester City is the best.
أوكي وإيه هذا معه. تيجي الريال بدنا كتاي مانشستر
This
سيتي.
guy is tall
إيه.
Yeah.
and he is enjoyer.
Yeah.
I rate him like 10/8.
Okay.
10 of 8.
Yeah.
Why not
Okay.
2? Like why you got 2?
2 because there is no anyone complete.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
My God. Enjoy one wali sani wali. Oh. One wali sa enjoy.
How much you rate her?
قبل ما بقى خان به. لك قرح لي ويا ما شاء الله. I read this. ما خان her. I read her 10 to 7.
Why you got 3?
I don't know her.
Maya, you should know. You tell her.
Yeah, you should know.
should.
Is she beautiful?
Yeah, oh my God, she's good.
Okay.
But after makeup, we don't know what she is. Right? But all وحنسيل her, I rate her over 10 over 7.
صح.
Yes.
Okay, go.
Okay, enjoy. قبلها هذا وصوص على فين. هذا واحد جيمك وعطكار ما enjoy. ليه خالص قل روات ليه.
بحرك كتير أنا ويلا يسا.
هذا كتالا.
أنا جنجست رابرا.
أديت.
I know how to survive.
Oh.
What you rate her?
Oh.
Oh, the one and
Enjoy.
only Amira Qurux.
Yeah.
أنا فيكو دلادي وحلي كريتد. هل حبل هدي كريتد. بو عقو دوات ليه.
I rate her
Yeah.
10/0.
What?
10 over 10 over 10 over 10 over
No, it's بعرف كيف
10 over هل حب مريس هذا ليه 10 over
Please, Anaya, help me. Help
Ten
me,
over.
please. Please. What good?
10 over 10 over
What good? Horta بعرف كيف horta
10 over
Waɗi mara waɗi mara.
هذا كتالا 10 over
Horta waa istaaga markaas ku jawaaba. Wallahi waa ku jawaaba.
مجيوز هات
Wallahi waa ku jawaaba. Wallahi waa ku jawaaba.
10 over
Wallahi, Anaya, please.
Stop.
Anaya, wallahi I'm dying.
10 over
So you tell me If I answer one time, can I repeat again?
No, no.
Yes. Okay. Tell him.
No.
No, you cannot.
Yes, because
If
the
you
answer
say
is one.
like one, you
Sasana?
cannot repeat again.
Yes.
Okay. Game ka socdo mar. Aan meesha laga qabanaya ka saad enjoy.
والله بلا ما يسلس. والله هذا مرة لا.
Qofta soo bixis. Oh.
Asad hadi.
The one and only Asad. Wallahi oh ninkan ma legend waa fant.
Okay.
I rate him 10 over 10.
Wow.
Nice.
He deserves it.
You
He
rate
deserves
everybody
it.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, he deserves it. He deserves it.
Yeah.
My brother. Yeah, hadii dan mar.
Oh.
Hadii dan.
إيشك قرط خروح ده كسكو إن قيمة ما يخوف كي تحي وحكي بالآدم لماذا أنا زوما بحي إيشو صارنا إيشك لان كراي.
Yeah, adi.
While I don't know her, I give her 0.
Oh.
You cannot like give everybody.
No, I have to.
Enjoy zero da bilawt ma.
0 because ما بقى خانة
Not
بقى.
beautiful?
Because no, she's not beautiful and I don't know her attitude, you know.
Oh.
That's
okay.
why I'm saying. If
Okay.
she's going like something good,
Yeah.
I can tell her this one is good.
Okay.
But I don't know her.
Okay.
How can I say like in Sasek في
Okay.
قرح الكلية ما حاول ورد. وجه مياه.
بيجي بقلبي جو. جو هذا خشوا سهل enjoy. هذا بالا تاي.
والله ما يسوي جزء. Oh. CK in the house.
CK in the house, in the building. And I rate him 10 over 7.
Why?
Why?
Why you
Yes.
got 3? You know him, right?
Yes, I.
Yes,
You
I
cannot
know
even
him.
say now you
And
don't
he
know
met
him.
him before.
Yes, I
know.
met him before.
So why you say at
Arbang
7?
So I rate him
Okay.
10 over.
Tell me the reason that you rate him 7.
We want to know the reason.
You want to know?
Imran.
You want to know
Yeah.
the reason?
You hold me like this.
Yeah.
Why?
10 over 7. That's what I said.
Reason.
Jo, ani diq English dar
This
tan.
guy
My
is
fear.
not playing like serious.
I'm playing
When
like
I
serious.
When I talk serious.
Yeah.
When I say 0, this is my opinion.
Yeah.
Because this lady, when I look, or the guy, when I look, if I got his point is, the way I rate is almost right. I'm
Yeah.
serious.
Fear.
But this guy,
Wax ma ku sheegay.
You're
Game
not
saam
serious
soo
now.
I
asbixin.
have to talk to him.
I said 10
The
over
reason that
7.
you rate him like
Qofkan
7.
You are right, Anaya.
enjoy ada feeling. Enjoy feeling.
My favorite singer. I love
Oh
that.
my
Sharma
god,
boy.
Sharma boy.
I'm
Xabada
believing
dhaxda mid xijaabka cada.
I'm believing
Gacanteeda xaada.
Boss.
Hadalkaada baxaad.
Boss.
Ma qofta soo koros. Oy.
haddana soo karos markay xiran tahay baati
Boss.
boss anigaana dhahay
Bro.
boss amos
Aradiga cubkan uu celisin enjoy. Ay diga.
this is one of my
One of the best singer in the world. Warniyo ninkan la joogayo. This is
boy is the legend, is the talented.
ha imoodin crazy.
Crazy.
Inana qof lazy. Waxa tahay busy.
busy
Sharma boy.
Maya.
Waa qalduusa.
maxaa ku taxadiray ma biweydiin
Who's this? Chunks? I don't know.
How much you rate him?
ha
10 over 6.
What? Why 6?
4 I don't know.
you should know.
Yeah. 6 is dress.
No, because
All the school dress. All the school
because
dress.
he's fat the way you say, right?
No.
Fat,
The
fat.
dress he is wearing is so old school, you know.
Oh, this is a Nike.
Like-
This, yeah, it's Nike. It's old
It's a
school.
brand.
Yeah, it's a
You
brand.
don't even have. You have 2 ringgit t-shirts.
You have 4 ringgit.
No.
This is for the rubbish.
See, classic.
This is rubbish. Or askarta Malaysianka tuuranka. You took this from the rubbish.
No.
Why wallah?
Which one it looks like
This-
rubbish?
this one,
Listen,
1
Anaya,
ringgit.
Anaya, listen.
1 ringgit.
Faster. This one, the way I'm wearing and the way he's wearing, which one looks like classic? Tell me right now.
Malaysian shoulder already
Hey,
through.
you know, I love army first.
Oh my
So,
god.
like,
Enjoy.
he looked like
I
army
told you, my
today.
brother.
Cool
So that's why I rate
Enjoy. Cool jirtaa tali.
like, enjoy. How much rate?
Yay.
Maamada bay gabadha
Shanta ya.
naag
Ilay, magad.
la qabo.
Yabay.
This one already married.
Yeah.
My wife is this.
Zero?
I give like 0
Okay.
because you know
Why?
only
Why?
wife.
No.
Because she.
No, because
No,
na
it's okay,
hagdikas.
it's okay.
I don't
Why?
need to
Why
express
you give her
her
0?
beauty, because
It's okay,
her
it's okay.
beauty mind like his her
Azbe.
yes
ممكن اللي بحين man.
How much you rate him?
Oh. One of the kind. My brother DG دعنكي إمام boy.
إمام
And
بلاي
the last
نكان
one is the
كهذا
funniest.
الملك.
هاي
نكان كهذا الملك.
هذا أنا قارب هاي
نكان.
هذا كان خيمنا
One of the kind DG دعنكي وانكان. نكان I rate him 10 to 10.
ما بسيكر دي
ما سيكرا.
ما
It's like how?
because he's short
Is he
Look.
like what you like about him?
The decision is mine.
No, what
You
you
should
like
not
about
fight
him?
with me.
Maya
5 his dress. 5 DG دعنك.
Huh?
DG دعنك.
Huh?
Means my brother.
can short man make model
Oh.
only tall man
Yeah,
because
tall man
he's
laugh.
short how can he give 10 over 10
Yeah.
ask him
Ask.
This is the legend, one of the kind, the king of the city. All.
It's kind
He
of.
gets jealous of him.
you agree with him
Yes.
you know what I heard that
Not yet.
Okay.
Okay.
The last one.
I see you other. Oh.
oh Mrs. Anaya Qurux the one and only Anaya Rise I give her 10 over 10 without hesitation because like a lady,
Yeah,
beautiful lady,
mashallah, mashallah,
respected,
mashallah.
cool,
Adiyan,
educated.
adiyan.
Oh my God,
Oh my
mashallah.
God.
You are
Adiyan.
enjoying Anaya.
Thank you.
I give you 10 over 10. You
Oh.
will become on the future the model of Pakistan.
Oh.
Thank you.
Sabi ha enjoy.
The model of Pakistan. Inshallah, inshallah. Enjoy. Enjoy.
Lagu lah this والله oh my.
Well, ina marjiku khabta.
Emergency والله بلا. This guy والله enjoy squeeze me like this والله enjoy.
Oh my God.
How can he make?
Why he say 0 to my sister? I will box him.
It's your sister?
Yes, Amira, my sister. Even if you show him, wait.
Because that's my choice.
Open.
Oh my God. I never know that she's your sister.
She's my sister. This is my sister. Amir, my sister.
Today, like who I wanna rate, like now you ask me who I wanna like rate in my team. In
Oh,
Okay.
okay. I will show you the picture.
Oh.
one of my auntie, I will rate
Who is?
10 out of 10. Anna.
Who? Yes. Anna, to see 10 over 10. I to see how couple to see Okubriya.
Yeah, sure that she know.
Ifra, 10 out of 100.
Sorry?
10 out of 100. 100.
5.
Oh, 5 Allah. 5 يا دار تلي.
100.
5 الله من حناخذ يا درنت وقدس.
5.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. 5 ما
100.
مية شنا بقول كيف الشمال وسي.
No. She give. 500.
وحالله دين لح ما شيء استكتوا الوجورة.
This video is fun, and some people I don't know, and you also don't know. And the most funny that you beat him.
Yeah.
Oh my God. But why you choose her zero?
Diyan rawan Dio.
Diyar tamya.
Why you choose her zero lah?
Diyan rawan ko dai. I need Dio.
Huh?
You know Dio?
No.
Dio means if you cough,
Yeah. Beat.
you take money from his family.
Yes.
He wants his
Like
money.
a nap.
Yeah, he beat me, you know.
I will break his neck.
Wala, he hold me like this.
I will break his neck next time if he refuses one of my family. That is my last warning.
Okay.
Tell him.
This is your last warning. If you choose her
Yeah.
sister zero again, then he will kill you.
God bless your neck.
I will protect myself.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Khalka.
Mulkharka.
Aye? What?
Starting.
Mulkharka gunmena.
Inta kulmayna.
waxaan ka tagaynaa bas iyo barwaaqo iyo caafimaad iyo insha Allah bye bye